Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. As you can see with the key fob, I can open either power sliding door or the rear trunk hatch. We got a brand new rear entry conversion. Very easy to operate. I can operate this entire conversion using only 2 fingers. As you can see, I can take the conversion to the ground using only my index finger. Very simple to do. I tell our customers, if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this conversion with ease. 34-inch wide ramp. It does taper down to about 33 inches right there. 56 inches of headroom coming in the door. 58 inches of headroom inside the van. It's got 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. And like I said, brand new conversion, 3-year unlimited mile warranty. Now, the Bronze of the world and all the Freedom Motors, they're going to tell you their conversion is so much better than ours. I want you to ask them, why is their conversion 3 years, 36,000 miles, and ours is 3 years unlimited miles if their conversion is so much better quality? You tell me which is better quality conversion. Dash is in great shape. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Backup camera, sync your phone, auxiliary cord, navigation, I'll show all that to you. Dual climate control, nice center console, leather seats. You can operate all the power sliding doors and ramp here. If you want them to be manual, you can hit the off button. Maybe you're going to use it for a taxi or something like that. They'll slide shut like a manual sliding door. So you got manual or power with touch of a button. We give a free set of pull-type Q-string tie-downs away with each van. So once you got everybody secure, come back out. Look there, 1 finger, simple as that. The electric ramps and doors are nice, but they're super costly, not only up front, but they are extremely expensive to maintain as well. Quick walk around to the van. Tinted windows in the rear, got the alloy wheels. Super clean van. Hard to find a dent or a scratch on this van. I'm not saying it's perfect, but it's very, very clean, very well taken care of. I buy only the finest vans. I do not want headaches. I do not want rebuilders. I don't want salvage. I don't want floods. I want nice, clean vans we can put on the lot that have been well taken care of. We inspect these vans very thorough before we buy them. I'm buying from the same perspective you are. I don't want trouble. I want a nice vehicle. And one of the ways we ensure we're buying good quality vehicles, we do a Carfax on each vehicle before we buy it. You can see this shows no accidents or damage reported. Detailed records available. Shows no total loss, no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. As I mentioned, you can see the vehicle has been serviced regularly. No frame damage. Airbags have never been deployed. No total losses, no accidents. Shows an odometer check, mileage and consistency. As you scroll down here, you can see the vehicle has been serviced regularly. And it shows we purchased the vehicle on July 19th. We are the new owner. Okay. It shows in Quebec, Canada, there was someone reported 39,000 kilometers as the new owner. 8/3/21. I want you to look at that date. August 3rd, 2021. As you can see, same matching VIN number. See the miles 47,000. You can scroll down here. This vehicle left the lot. I picked it up July 26th of 2021. And we took it to the conversion company outside of Nashville, Tennessee. This vehicle was not in Canada ever anytime in August. That's a discrepancy on Carfax's part. I'm going to send off to them, have them correct that. But I wanted to show you what that is, show you about it, let you know that this vehicle has been in my possession. It never went to Canada. Someone made a mistake. I'm going to try to get that fixed. Also, know who you're buying from. Check us out on eBay. We have 839 transactions with folks. We've never had any negative feedback. That's 839 deals we did. 839 people said we did them right. 0 people said we did them wrong. You can also check our reviews online for 4.7 out of 5 stars. Look at all the great things people are saying about us. You know who you're buying from. Do a Google search. Check and see who they are. Check their ratings and make sure they're real. Make sure you're not sending your money to some scammer or some fake person. Another great feature this van has is the auto start. This is great year round. You know, wintertime, of course, it's nice to have defrosted windows, nice heated leather seats, but it's also a really great feature to have come summertime when the seats are nice and hot. Got all the dummy lights work. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag lights, none of that. See the current miles, 47,904. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We push every button on these. We do not just throw these on the lot. If you've been out looking at vehicles before, power mirror over there, power window, you'll notice they hide a lot, no matter who it is, whether it's Facebook or Craigslist or a dealer, they hide a lot of things. They don't tell you about the big dent in the door, and they don't tell you about the back panels back there for the back windows. They don't tell you about the big dent in the door, the slipping transmission, the check engine light. Oh, by the way, I've got 4 brand new Uniroyal tires on here. Good name brand tire. But you know, I'm not here to hide things from you. I want you to see everything I see about this vehicle, and that's why we've got such a great reputation selling good vehicles. So let's check out under the hood. Underneath the hood, everything looks nice and dry and clean. No signs of any damage, no signs of any accidents. Got your emissions control sticker right there. No signs of any rust from a flood or anything like that. Everything looks good. The engine idles smoothly. I can hardly hear it running. Underneath the van, much of the same, very clean. A little bit of surface rust, that's to be expected on a vehicle with 40-some thousand miles on it, but I don't see any bent metal. I don't see any leaks. No signs of a flood or anything like that. And that's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it's 2019. They assume because it looks good in pictures. They assume because the salesman's nice to them. They automatically assume that it runs and drives good. They just assume the transmission shift's fine. They assume the engine's strong. They assume the body's clean just from a couple pictures. Go look at my competition. That's fine. Go check out their website right now. Do they have pictures of the undercarriage, much less a detailed video like this, so you're not buying so you know you're not buying some rust bucket from New York or Chicago? Do they have a Carfax report they show you? Do they show you the reputation, who they are? Do they show you that they're real, that they're not some internet scammer? Do you know how many people a day get scammed on the internet? Thousands, if not millions, for their life savings. So millions is probably an overstatement, but it happens all day, every day. Demand a detailed video, demand a Carfax report, and demand to know who you're buying from. And I've been doing this over 10 years. If you're not going to do those things, and the vehicle shows up and it's not what you expected, or if the vehicle doesn't show up at all, don't say I didn't warn you. It's part of the business. Do your due diligence. Do those 3 things I recommended, and you'll be a lot better off. So let me get this out on the highway so you can hear it run. Before I get on the highway, we've got the dual power seats. We've got the backup camera I mentioned to you. Got heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's fully loaded. And I stand corrected. This does not have navigation. I repeat, does not. I thought this is the only GT I've ever seen without navigation, but it does not show nav on here, so I want to be honest with you. We've got the 1 key. If you want to get additional keys made, those are generally about $199. And one thing I love about these GTs is they've got this 12-volt plug back here. If you've got an oxygen machine or something like that, you need electricity for one of your piece of medical equipment. It's a super cool feature they've got right there. So let's get this back out on the highway so I can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles out on the test drive so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure it's roadworthy. Cruise control works, got it up to about 70 miles an hour. So everything works exactly as we'd expect. With all that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. We strongly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. They go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. This does still meet the specs for the 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. So it meets the specs for the engine and transmission to be covered up to 60,000 miles. And also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. They don't have free shipping like us, so you got to factor in shipping, which is very expensive, especially with the price of fuel. Then you got to factor in all these hidden fees. They've got hidden document fees, tag fees. Of course, they're going to charge you more for the freight. They're going to make some money on the shipping on top of paying the shipper. They've got all these hidden fees, and next thing you know, if they had it for sale for $30,000 online, next thing you know, it's $33,000 by the time you get it shipped to you and all their fees. And my question to you is, if someone tells you the price is $30,000, shouldn't the price be $30,000, not $500 document fee, then a tag fee, then a freight, and all these fees they add? My thing is, if someone's not telling you the real price, if they're not giving you the actual price, what else are they hiding from you? Electrical damage, mechanical work needing done, salvage title, a flood, I don't know. That's pretty basic to me. If someone's not going to be honest about the price, there's a 99% chance that some other things are going to be hiding as well. So nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. And hey, if you want to do financing, we've got financing available. We can send an application to your phone or your email. And if you're old school, don't be shy, don't be embarrassed, give us a call. We can take one over the phone. If computers aren't your thing, that's okay. Both my parents would need to call in and do an application over the phone, and that's okay. But let us know how we can help with that. If you want to see our entire inventory, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And if you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I want you to call the competition. I want you to ask the Bronze, the VMI, the Freedom Motors, United Access, Mobility Works, all those big companies. Say, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? Ask them, because I'm committed enough to give you my cell phone number. You've got it. So if you want someone that's committed to customer service, choose Affordable Mobility Solutions. And as always, thanks for checking out our Mobility Caravan today. Have a great day and give us a call. Thanks.